Welcome to another video, this time about our OPK Cruiser 3 system. Here I would like to briefly explain what options you have with the easy-to-assemble system. Our OPK Cruiser 3 is a standing system, which can be used in closets or walk-in closets. The fitting is suitable for wooden doors only, as the rollers, guide rollers and dampers are simply screwed onto the door leaf. Different door thicknesses can be implemented, depending on which panel thickness you use. All fittings are always delivered including the two-way damping, so that even narrow doors are closed smoothly on both sides. In addition, your door can be supplemented with a side handle profile, which is simply placed on the side and screwed. The handle profile has a slim design and is delivered in the same color as the rail set. When ordering your hardware, simply choose from the following options. The hardware kit for 2 or 3 doors including soft closing mechanism. The matching rail kit in 2,400 mm or 3,400 mm. Optionally the handle profile kit in 2,800 mm. The third and middle door in a 3-door construction also has soft closing in both directions. So all doors provide maximum comfort, and the anti-collision bar in the profile ensures safe use of the doors. OPK Cruiser 3 is excellent for furniture applications and as a room partitioning system, and can also be easily retrofitted in existing constructions.